Why hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is MR.CRABBY. Do you know that you can earn money online by sharing your funny videos? Well, keep watching, as today, I will be showing you how. You've Been Framed is a TV show showcasing a collection of user-submitted funny clips on each episode. And, on their website, they offer people who send funny clips £250 if their clips are accepted. So, if you have some clips you can send, do it today, as I think this is a great way to earn yourself an easy £250, or approximately $300. Keep in mind though, that their approval time is quite long. And your clips might not even be accepted, for some reason or the other. I will leave all links you need in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. I really hope you enjoy watching my videos. Feel free to leave any suggestions, or feedback, in the comments down below, and, if you like to help the channel grow, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.